Welcome to Taiwan!
Day here already in Taiwan. It's February 24 today. It's 10:15 a.m. Kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast actually sa hotel and we're just waiting for the rest of the group to be ready. Yung itinerary lang namin ngayon is I think to go to Taipei 101, go around there for a bit, have lunch, and then come back to the hotel, do some last-minute shopping at Ximending area kasi our flight is also later tonight. Actually, early in the morning, 2 a.m. So, pupunta na kami sa airport mamayang gabi. Weather for today, it's bright and clear naman outside. So, hopefully, hindi na kami uulanin today. Good morning! Ito na ang other group! Last day in Taiwan! Saan tayo pupunta?
Taipei 101.
Taipei, ayan. So, Taipei 101 nga kami today. And first time nga naming mag-MRT. Let me just show you the location of our hotel. Ayan siya. And ito na pala yung MRT station. Ayan. Oo. Very convenient. Ayan. So, again, that's the area of our hotel. And ito na rin pala yung Rainbow Road. There. Pero, may pila. Pila ata. Tapos, ayan lang yung area na ng hotel namin. So, it's really very convenient. Tapos na kami mag-picture dun sa Rainbow Road. Ito na kami, pababa na kami ng MRT. So, first time, again, magte-train today. Kung kailan pa uwi na kami. Ito pala ngayon ang tour guide namin. Oo nga. Tour guide ang get up. Pakita nga ang tour guide. Madam, saan tayo today? Chiang Kai-shek. Ayan. So, sine-check ni tour guide kung saan kami sasakay. Bibili kami ng ticket dito sa mga ticket machines. So, dito kami pupunta sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. From there to here. So, $20. So, yes, English. Single journey. Oo. Tapos kung ilan? Dalawa. Ayan. So, 40. Put the money there.
Processing.
Please wait. Ang galing ng ticket nila. Ang galing ng nila, token. Train ticket. So, green line yung sasakyan namin going to Chiang Kai-shek. There. You tap. You tap. Oh, cool. Ang galing. Akala ko you drop it. You tap also. It's an IC card. It's an IC coin. This is the first level. But we have to go down one more for the green line. Here. Wow. Walang tao halos.
Kakaalis lang ng train.
Kakaalis na ng train. Kaya pala. Naiwan pala kami ng train.
Tingnan po ang train. 300 meters to go. May baseball tayo mamaya. Sana maka-home run yung team natin.
Translation.
Tumabi na po.
Ayan na, ang galing. Tama ang translation. Ang galing. Ito na yung train. We're here, Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Station. So, palabas na kami ng MRT. So, dito, drop naman. There. Ang galing. Different naman dito sa Taiwan. This is Taiwan. Weather for today is
14 degrees.
14 degrees. So, sakto lang. Actually, heattech tong suot ko and fleece jacket. Comfortable. Comfortable outfit for today. And it's medyo ambuning already. Pero sana wag naman magtuloy. There, this is the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. Wow, it's vast. So here is Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. Actually, kaya kami nandito today kasi sabi nila dito yung area na may cherry blossoms. So, yun yung pupuntahan namin. And I think it's over there. Parang may nakikita na akong mga pink trees over there. Ayan, meron ng mga a little bit of cherry blossom trees here. So, diba dito pa ako nakakita ng cherry blossoms sa Taiwan, never sa Japan. Ayan ang cherry blossoms! Nice! Ito talagang hilig sa isda eh, oh. Na-discover pa niya may fish food palang binibenta. Magkano? $10. Oh. Fish food. Ito yung bunso namin eh. Papakain. Kakagulo na sila. Oh, itong puno na to nagsisimula pa lang. May konti pa lang siyang pink flowers. Diba? Dito pa kami sa Taiwan naka-witness ng cherry blossoms. Although hindi pa naman din siya full bloom, pero okay na din. May cherry blossom shot na rin kami. So ngayon, tapos na yung photo op namin dito sa Chiang Kai-shek. Moving on to Taipei 101. Dito naman kami nag-exit on the opposite side ng park. Nandito na rin pala yung train station. So it's just really beside the park. So punta kaming Taipei 101. From Chiang Kai-shek Memorial, diretso na siya. From here, red line, going there. Yun yung sasakyan namin. So there, we should go out. Exit number 4. This is our exit. So again, pasok yung token sa exit. There. Yeah, we're here outside the station. There's Taipei 101. It's lunchtime, 12:30. So, kakain kami kay Din Tai Fung. May pila. So, this is Din Tai Fung. Sana mabilis lang yung queue. Medyo may pila kasi it's lunchtime. Nakakuha na si tour guide ng queue.
Hiwa-hiwalay na tayo.
30 to 40 minutes. Mga 40 minutes dito ulit. 1 hour waiting kasi yung queue namin.
1:16.
So babalik na lang kami dito. Yung queue namin 1 hour pa sa Din Tai Fung for lunch. Naghiwa-hiwalay muna kami. Nag-ikot-ikot muna yung iba. So kami, since wala naman kaming masyadong hinahanap, nakapila kami ni Daddy sa Starbucks. We're just getting the Taipei mug souvenir kasi we collect the Starbucks mug. Pero may pila din si Starbucks. We're here at Taipei 101 sa mall nila. Ayan. So mag-iikot-ikot muna kami dito. This is the mall here. high-end shops. Hi! Kilala ko yun. Ayun sila. Mag-iikot. Here are the shops here again sa Taipei 101. Ikot-ikot muna tayo. I'm here at the 4th floor, I think. Grabe, ang ganda lang niya. There. Look. Very nice. And very quiet. Dahil nagugutom na siya, wala pa. Hindi pa tinatawag yung number namin kay Din Tai Fung. Susubukan niya si Mr. Donut. At Miss Wee, ayan, bibila ka na namin ng Mr. Donut para matikman mo. Kasi kanina sabi niya gusto niya mag Mr. Donut. So, yung pondering nila dito is $39. So, mga 80 pesos. Diba? Tatlo na lang yung natitira. Kaka-on ko lang ng camera ko. Ano, kamusta?
Hindi ako ma-donut.
Ako din kasi, hindi rin ako ma-bread in general. It's okay. Not bad naman.
Yeah.
Finally, nakaupo na kami dito sa Din Tai Fung. It took us mga 1 hour, 10 minutes waiting. Kaya lang yung available na seat, nakahiwalay kami ni Daddy. Dalawa lang kami, tapos ayun sila. Kasi yung available lang na table 9 and 2. Eh, gutom na kami. So, okay lang. Kunyari, magde-date muna kami ni Daddy dito ng dalawa. Ito yung kabilang grupo. Ayan sila. We just got the pork chop with the fried rice and there, xiaolongbao. We're almost done eating. Actually, in all honesty, pareho lang yung lasa niya sa Pilipinas. Not for us. Yeah. It's the same. Kamustahin natin yung kabila. Kamusta yung kabilang grupo? How are you?
Pakintay na lang dito.
Ano yung order nyo? Pork chop din. Una na kami ni Daddy kasi kami dalawa lang. And may pila pa rin. So, we don't want to stay inside naman. Yung bill namin is $902 yung sa kinain namin. At xiaolongbao, yung spicy shrimp wonton, and pork fried rice. So, more or less, it's 1,800 pesos for the 2 of us. We're done eating! Ayan na. Magpo-photo up lang kami dito kay Taipei 101. There. Tapos na kami mag-photo op dyan kay Tower 101. Ay, Taipei 101. Pabalik na kami ng Ximending for last minute shopping. Wait, look! Nakita namin sa train station. May kremiya, pero nandito kami sa Taiwan. Wait, mag-order kami. Ayan, napabili kami. We will make them try kremiya. Yung price niya dito is 150 Taiwan dollars. So, more or less, the same na din siya sa Japan. Kasi 800 yen siya. Yung sa Osaka. Our vanilla. Strawberry. It's good. It's good.
Ano, strawberry? Spoon? Oh, paano raspberry?
How is it?
Thank you. It's so good.
Welcome.
Welcome to Taiwan.
Hello again. We're already back in the hotel. Time check, it's 4 p.m. Nag-pit stop muna kami sandali. Pero this afternoon, actually, kanya-kanya na kami ng lakad kung merong mga last shopping na kailangan gawin. Because our flight is tonight already. We will be going to the airport by 10 p.m. Good evening! We are out again here at Ximending area. It's 6 p.m. Weather check, it's actually 13 degrees today, but real feel is 8. So actually yung suot ko, naka-heated ako na turtleneck and this fur jacket. So comfortable. Si George din naka-thick jacket.
Yeah.
Giniginaw ka? Eh, naka-thermal ka eh.
Oh, yeah.
Naka-thermal siya.
Thermal.
Kaya, naka-thermal siya. Naiinitan ka?
No?
Oh, kaya nga, because its real feel is 8, technically. So, it's pretty cool tonight. Anyway, mag-iikot-ikot lang kami. Other side naman of Ximending, yung area na hindi pa namin na-explore. Yung area sa likod ng hotel namin malapit sa Rainbow Road. That's Ximending area. Tumawid lang kami. So this is the famous Red House here in Taiwan.
It was Taiwan's first public market.
This is Taiwan's first public market. Kung makita nyo, ayan, no? Kasama din siya sa mga stop sa tours. Ayan. So this is the Red House. Explore natin kung ano yung mga shops dito sa gilid. I think inside the Red House are also shops, souvenir shops. Tapos may mga restaurants lang dito sa side na to. Ayan naman si Crispy Milk Donut kasi yung nilabasan namin yung likod ng brick at the Red House. Are we trying? Oh, there's a line. Sisilipin lang namin kasi there's always a long line. Ayan siya. There. And then I'll show you the line. Ayan. Nakapila sila dun sa donut. Oh, hindi pa tapos. It's up to here pa. Oh my God! Oh my God! Ito mo ba? Oh my. So, ito yung dulo ng line. Ayan, siya. Siya yung dulo ng pila. Nandun sa kanto yung crispy donut. So, obviously, hindi kami pipila. Sabi nila, masarap daw yung crispy donut. Pero yung itsura niya actually parang bicho-bicho. So, dun sa mga nakatikim nung crispy milk donut, please let us know if it's worth the line. So, next time we come back here, we'll make sure to try it. Yes. Kasi right now, ang haba ng pila. Kaya tamad kaming pumila. There's this building here. Gustong pasukin ni George kasi parang mga siya, shops ng I don't know, luxury items here. Parang siyang Green Hills.
Yeah.
Parang siyang Green Hills. We'll check the basement. Parang food court siya. So we'll see what they have. Ito siya. Pero most of the shops are closed. There. Lumabas na pala kami kasi ano lang siya talaga. Tiangge. Para siyang Green Hills. This is the other area na hindi pa namin na-explore. So dito kami lalakad-lakad. So this is the other side of Ximending. Alam nyo, dito sa Taiwan, ang dami ding ABC Mart. Siguro dito sa area, pang 5 na to.
Yeah.
No? Tapos dyan din nag-shopping yung mga kasama namin, yung mga hinahanap nilang rubber shoes. Andito yung mga street food. Tanggulo. Ano to? Ang daming tao. Barbecue. Sausage. Nakakaaliw lang din siya dito sa Ximending because it's very alive. So, nakakaaliw maglakad-lakad. And we really love the location of our hotel, Westgate. Kasi, ang lapit-lapit lang namin dito. It's just walking distance. So, anytime you want to grab something, it's just here. And then, kung may nakalimutan naman din sa hotel or gusto mo nang magpahinga ulit, the hotel is just right there. Tapos, meron din isang more affordable option na hotel, si Hotel 6. Okay din naman siya. Marami rin siya dito around the Ximending area. We are now on our way to the Michelin star rated noodle house. Yung beef noodles. So, we want to try it. Parang masarap siya based on the vlogs na napanood namin here in Taiwan. So, hinahanap pa rin namin si Lao Shandong noodles. Hindi na siya mahanap. Parang iba yung nakapin kay Google. Oh my God. Yung binabaan namin kanina na Green Hills Building. Andito pala si Lao Shandong. Nahanap na namin siya. My goodness. Nag-ikot na kami dito kanina. Nandito lang pala siya. Alam mo, buti na lang merong mabait na Taiwanese girl na tinulungan niya kami, hinanap niya for us. We just want to try this because it's Michelin star rated every year daw based kay Google. So we'll try. I'll show you lang yung itsura ng restaurant. So if you want to try Lao Shandong noodles, it is located at the basement of Wanyan Building, same block ni Crispy Donut. So just go down the basement and look for it in one of the corners dun sa food court. Ito yung menu nila. So we'll get the beef tendon tripe noodles. There it is! Flat noodles with beef, tendon, and tripe. Woohoo! Let's see. This is a Michelin-rated restaurant.
Grabe yung tendon.
Look at that. Look at that. Grabe naman, buo talaga yung subo. I know. How's it? How's the soup?
It's very good.
See?
Sarap. Try natin yung noodles.
Yeah.
Mainit.
How's it? Ako naman, I'll try the beef. He tried the tendon. It's very tender. It's good. I like it. Tapos yung beef niya, yung matendon din na beef. Mainit niya. By the way, this is handmade noodles. That's why it's thick and irregular yung sizes. Alam niyo kanina, sumusuko na si George kasi naikot kami ng ikot. Sabi niya, no, let's not go there anymore. Let's just eat somewhere else. Ako sabi ko, no, I want to eat there. So, buti na lang. Pinaglaban ko siya. Good choice, good choice. By the way, we just got the regular size.
Ang bigat sa tiyan.
Regular size lang yan. Ayan yung bill namin. $4.80. We're done eating. Actually, ako hindi ko naubos yung noodles ko. Yung noodles lang kasi ang laki din ng regular size. Pero, it was good ha? It was good. Good dinner?
Yes.
Ano? Puto na lang, pinaglaban ko siya. So again, we're done with dinner. We're back here in the Ximending area. So ngayon, maghahanap naman kami ng milk tea kasi pauwi na kami. We want to try a different bubble tea naman kasi na-try na namin si Sinfutang. And in all honesty, I know it's an unpopular opinion kahit na mahaba yung pila. Yan siya. See? Hanggang ngayon mahaba yung pila. Pero I just find it okay lang. Masarap yung boba niya, pero yung pinaka-milk tea niya, hindi ko masyadong type. So, we'll try to look for something else to compare. Ito pala si Stinky Tofu. Kaya pala siya Stinky Tofu. Stinky pala siya talaga. Yung buong, yan, yung paligid na yan, hanggang dito. No? Hanggang dito. Naaamoy namin siya. It's really stinky.
Pero mukha siya masarap.
Yeah. Kaya lang busog pa kami. Pero parang hindi ko siya kayang isubo kasi ang baho. Yung mga kasama namin, dito sila kumain kay Toto Ramen. Kumakain pa sila sa loob. Ayun sila. Hi! Ayun sila kumakain. Sakto, sa tabi nila may Kung Fu tea. O, ayan. So, ito yung itatry nating milk tea. Kung Fu tea.
We'll get brown sugar.
Yeah.
And you want to
And
try try the cheese
foam oolong. Sige, sige.
Yeah.
So we'll get number 2 and number 4. This is our milk tea. This one is the brown sugar pearl. Yung boba ni Sinfutang, mas softer and more caramelly. Masarap. Pero yung milk tea nito, mas gusto ko. Mas may lasa. Masyado kasing creamy for me si Sinfutang eh. Mas balance sa akin yung lasa nitong si Kung Fu tea. Gusto ni George yun sa kanya. Again, he got the cheese foam oolong. Can you try?
Yeah.
Yeah. Masarap din yun sa kanya. Happy with Kung Fu tea. Craving satisfied for today. Perfect. Hello again. It's almost 10 p.m. So we're about to check out from our hotel already. We're just going to meet the rest of the group at the lobby and wait for our sundo going to the airport. So again, this is Westgate Hotel located in Ximending area. So yung naging charge namin dito sa hotel was more or less 40,000 pesos for 4 nights. Kasi hanggang today, naka-check-in kami kasi late night yung flight namin. So technically, we can stay until tomorrow morning. So it comes out to 10,000 pesos a night. We're happy with the hotel. Very, very happy with the hotel. Ang ganda niya, pati yung setup ng room, yung toilet, it's clean. Although wala siyang toiletries na kasama, pero may dala naman kami, so it's fine. And we really love the location. So again, Ate Thea, thank you for the recommendation for Westgate Hotel. I think if we come back here in Taiwan, we will book the same hotel as well. By the way, we parked our car sa multi-level parking sa NAIA 3. So, bibigyan ko din kayo ng update later kung magkano kami na-charge sa parking namin. See ya! Andito na yung sundo namin. Ito nga pala si Sir Joseph, ang aming tour guide at transportation dito sa Taipei. Siya pa rin ang maghahatid sa amin sa airport. Kami sa airport! Magte-thank you lang kami sa service namin. Si Sir Joseph at saka si Hans.
Hello.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
See you again.
Welcome
Pagbalik
to Taiwan,
natin ng Taiwan. Salamat!
Bye.
Si Captain Eric yung pumila dito sa Crispy Donut for how many minutes, Captain?
20 minutes lang po because short lang yung pila kanina.
Okay. Is it worth it?
Worth it no, mainit siya.
Okay, so kailangan kainin siya ng bagong luto. Ayan siya. Let's try.
Oo, dapat.
Kung maikli, pipila din kami.
Yeah.
Nasa siyang bicho-bicho na may gatas. So, dapat daw kainin mainit. Nakapila pa rin kami, pero pinaprint na kami ng boarding pass dun sa kiosk and bag tag. So, bag drop na lang kami pagdating sa counter. Actually, kakabukas lang nung counter. Dumating kami dito ng mga 10:40. So, nagbukas yung counter mga a few minutes before 11. Nagkakaguluhan po nila yung bagahe namin. Paglalagay ng sticker. May training session po dito.
Training session na rin dito. Ako din maglagay, Mare. Yes. Ito po yung inyong Attorney George, ang claim.
Yes.
Sa passport, ilagay. Tapos dapat dito.
Thank you! Dito na kami sa boarding gate. Ganito pala dito sa Terminal 1, no? Terminal 1 ng Taoyuan Airport. Sarado na yung mga shops kasi it's 1 AM. Tapos vendo na lang yung option namin. Tapos ito lang. Walang matambayan. Ayan yung waiting area. Tapos yung mga boarding gates na. So lahat kami nakapila sa vendo. Buti na lang pala kumain na kami. Kumain na kami bago kami pumunta dito. Time check, it's 1:10. We're just going to wait for our flight. Our boarding time is
1:30.
Around 1:30. Sandali na lang naman. Ang galing naaliw lang kami. May
Ganyan
vendo
talaga
ng
binayada namin.
Ipudo.
Bibili
Bibili kayo? Sige nga, I'm curious.
Add to cart. Go to payment.
Walang cash.
Walang cash. So, sayang pa rin yung pera natin.
Oh. May credit card. Payment completed. Tignan natin kung ano itsura ng ramen nila. Ayan na. Nandito ang, ayun, chopsticks and spoon. There. Ito pa pala, ang timer.
Please your bowl when the chamber door opens.
98%. Tingnan natin ang itsura ng kanilang instant ramen. Pwede naman.
May butas na.
Ay, may butas na. Bala kasi nila dapat dalhin sa tin. Here's the ramen. Wow.
Pwede.
Cleaning. Galing.
Ate na lang ako sa'yo.
Amazed na amazed.
Ika, bibili lang ako daw.
Kamusta yung iyong Ipudo instant noodles?
So yummy.
Sulit.
The best instant noodles.
Yeah.
230, di ba? Nice. Sulit. 7-Eleven.
This is so good.
Masarap din, no?
Oo.
Yeah, masarap din, no?
Hello, we're already here. We're back at the airport. Nandito na kami sa Manila. So, as I've said, nag-park kami dito sa multi-level parking. So, tingnan natin kung kamusta yung sasakyan and kung magkano yung magiging parking fee namin dito sa NAIA. Since last Friday hanggang ngayon, early morning of Tuesday. Ito na. Let's see how much our charge is sa exit. 3,925 kasi 3 nights is 3,600 plus yung per hour na kami ng from 6 p.m. last night up to this morning. So 3,900 kami for 3.5 days. So that's it. That's our trip in Taiwan. It was a fun trip with all these makukulit na mga nilalang. So pauwi na kami. Thank you and see you again on our next vlog. Bye!